time now.
Woo, Emma! Good job! Woo! All right, get Sky. Come on, Sky.
She's doing the best.
Is she? Well, she's been snowboarding before, but Emma never had.
Yeah, she's doing the best.
Good.
Emma's gloves.
Oh shoot.
She
We
decided
gotta go buy her.
to change.
Come on.
Good job, Emma. Thank you.
I know. Come on. Point your thing this way. Get some
Stella!
speed.
You're doing good. You're doing good. There you go. She's goofy.
Yes. Come.
Scoot it.
Don't touch me. I'll yell break. I swear to God, I'll yell break.
You got the
Oh,
most
yeah, it's like my
talkative little
skateboard.
girls I've ever had.
Skylar, you do know that I'm recording
I'm
you?
sure they've been a pleasure.